Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylist channel. The pursuit of an extraordinary motorbike that encompasses versatility, spanning various terrains, from urban streets to rugged trails, while effortlessly blending performance and practicality, concludes with the introduction of the 2023 all-new Honda NC750X. This remarkably adaptable machine has undergone a series of enhancements and innovative additions, further elevating its appeal and ensuring an exhilarating riding experience. Delve into the lesser-known facts about this exceptional two-wheeler. Abode of ample storage, a distinct front compartment. Diverging from the conventional motorcycle design, the NC750X boasts a front storage compartment strategically situated in the customary fuel tank location. Within this compartment lies a capacious capacity of up to 23 liters, accommodating most dual-sport full-face helmets, complete with visors, and even leaving room for additional items. Secure and weather-resistant, this compartment ensures the safeguarding of your valuable possessions. Moreover, the lid features rails for effortless attachment of a tank bag, as well as hooks that facilitate the organization of your belongings using rubber straps. For added convenience, an optional internal USB-C socket can be installed to enable device charging within the compartment. Shifting prowess, automatic dual-clutch transmission. Distinguishing itself with technological finesse, the NC750X offers the cutting-edge automatic dual-clutch transmission developed by Honda. This advanced system affords riders the freedom to choose between manual or automatic shifting modes. In manual mode, gear changes can be effortlessly executed using the paddle shifters conveniently located on the handlebar. Alternatively, in automatic mode, the motorcycle seamlessly transitions between gears based on your speed and throttle input. Complementing its versatility, the DCT offers various riding modes, including Sport, Rain, Standard, and User, adapting the shift timing and torque control to suit your preferences and prevailing road conditions. Power and fluidity, a potent parallel twin engine. Propelling the NC750X forward is a refined liquid-cooled, SOHC 8-valve parallel twin engine renowned for its commanding torque within the low to mid-range spectrum. Distinguished by its long-stroke design and meticulously shaped combustion chamber, this engine effortlessly harnesses power even at low revolutions per minute. Additionally, the forward cant of the engine contributes to enhanced stability through a lowered center of gravity. To ensure a smooth and vibration-free ride, twin balancers counteract any inherent oscillations, while the 270-degree crank and uneven firing intervals produce a distinctive rhythmic auditory experience. Adventurous aesthetics, inspired design, and illumination. The NC750X exudes a captivating blend of rugged adventure-inspired aesthetics and commuter-friendly appeal. Its compact upper and lower fairings harmoniously coexist with the muscular fuel tank, emanating a resolute presence. Notably, the LED headlight and running lights command attention when viewed head-on. In concert with this bold frontal design, the LED taillight and turn indicators elegantly complement the rear. Long rides or commutes in unfavorable conditions are met with the windscreen's protective embrace. The sleek side panels, side covers, and slender seat contribute to the NC750X's visually lightweight demeanor, without compromising comfort. Precision and control, throttle-by-wire and HSTC. Unveiling its technological prowess, the NC750X features a cutting-edge throttle-by-wire system, governing the throttle valve opening electronically in response to the rider's input. This advanced system facilitates precise and responsive control over the throttle, while enabling customizable riding modes that adapt power delivery and torque control to the rider's preferences and road conditions. Furthermore, the motorcycle incorporates the Honda selectable torque control system, diligently detecting and mitigating rear-wheel spin by regulating the engine's output. With two available levels of HSTC, riders can tailor the system to their preferences or opt to disable it entirely. Superior suspension and braking, a testament to quality. Uncompromising in its pursuit of exceptional handling, the NC750X embraces a robust chassis, boasting top-tier suspension components. The front suspension consists of a 41mm telescopic fork, offering an impressive 5.4 inches of travel. Meanwhile, the rear suspension comprises a Pro-Link single shock with 5.9 inches of travel, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride over various surfaces. Both suspensions offer adjustability for preload, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup according to individual weight and riding style. Complementing this, the NC750X is equipped with dual hydraulic discs in the front and a single hydraulic disc in the rear, augmented by standard ABS for heightened braking performance and safety. Gear ratios and efficiency, finding equilibrium. Delivering an optimal riding experience across diverse scenarios, the NC750X is equipped with low gear ratios for its initial 3 gears, facilitating seamless acceleration from a standing start, as well as impressive roll-on acceleration. The subsequent gears, 4th, 5th, and 6th, have been optimized for comfortable cruising on highways, ensuring efficient fuel consumption. Remarkably, the NC750X achieves up to 64 miles per gallon in DCT mode and up to 62 miles per gallon in manual mode, dependent on individual riding habits. With a fuel tank capacity of 3.7 gallons, extended journeys await before necessitating a refueling stop. Tailored personalization, a myriad of accessories. The NC750X offers a wide array of accessories to allow riders to customize their experience to suit their unique preferences. These accessories include a center stand, a heated grip kit, a rear carrier, a top box, a pannier set, a fog light kit, a high windscreen, a low seat, and much more. Personal expression and practical enhancements can be achieved through these additions. 2 captivating color options are available for selection, the distinctive matte nightshade blue and the elegant matte black metallic. Embodying the epitome of a do-it-all machine, the 2023 all-new Honda NC750X is an unrivaled companion capable of traversing any road, navigating any situation with unwavering competence. Bolstered by a powerful and refined engine, an automatic dual-clutch transmission, an expansive front storage compartment, and an aesthetically adventurous design, among numerous other attributes. This motorbike encapsulates the perfect amalgamation of enjoyment and practicality. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for the NC750X DCT stands at $9,399. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.